Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Perfectly Imperfect. So glad you're here with us today.
Hey there. I've missed chatting with our listeners. How you doing, Arsenio?
Oh, hanging in there. Can you believe it's already that time of year again?
I know, right? The holidays have a way of sneaking up on you.
Seriously, between the decorations, the family gatherings, and trying to juggle everything, it's a lot.
And let's not forget about the dreaded holiday cleaning.
Ugh, don't get me started. Sometimes I think the holidays should come with a warning label. May cause excessive tidying and unnecessary stress.
Ha, so true. We put so much pressure on ourselves to have the perfect home.
Yeah, it's like we're all auditioning for a magazine spread or something.
Exactly. But at the end of the day, does anyone really care if there's a little dust on the shelf?
Or probably not, unless we're inviting over the queen or something.
Well, if the queen's coming, we've got bigger issues.
True, but seriously, why do we do this to ourselves?
Good question. I think we get caught up in societal expectations, especially with social media showing off these picture perfect homes.
Right, those Instagram worthy living rooms with matching ornaments and not a single pillow out of place.
Uh huh. And here I am just trying to keep the dog from knocking over the tree.
Oh man, same here. My cat thinks the ornaments are her personal playthings.
Pets during the holidays? Now, that's a whole other topic.
Absolutely. So today we're tackling the issue of overcoming holiday cleaning burnout.
Yep, because we all deserve to actually enjoy the holidays, not just stress over them.
Couldn't agree more. So what's your take on all this, Arsenio?
Well, I think we need to shift our mindset. Instead of striving for perfection, maybe we should aim for good enough.
I like that. After all, the holidays are about spending time with loved ones, not impressing them with spotless floors.
Exactly. And honestly, if someone judges you for a little mess, that's on them.
Right. So how do we actually put this into practice?
I'm glad you asked. I think it's about prioritizing. Focus on the areas that really matter.
Like the kitchen, where everyone inevitably ends up anyway.
So true. And maybe we can let go of the urge to deep clean the basement storage.
Ha! As if anyone is going down there during a holiday party.
Unless they're hiding from awkward conversations.
Touché. But seriously, let's talk practical tips.
Sure thing. One thing I find helpful is the Pomodoro technique.
Oh yeah? Remind me how that works?
You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It keeps you from burning out.
Oh, I could get behind that. It makes tasks feel more manageable.
Exactly. And during those breaks, you can reward yourself.
Like with a piece of chocolate?
Or a quick dance party in your living room.
Now you're talking.
Another tip is to actually ask for help.
Wait, you mean we don't have to be superheroes and do it all ourselves?
Surprising, right? Enlist family members to pitch in.
Easier said than done sometimes.
True, but even kids can help out with simple tasks.
Yeah, like picking up their own toys. That'd be a start.
Baby steps.
I was reading about how perfectionism can really take a toll on our mental health.
Oh, interesting. Tell me more.
Well, we set these unattainable standards, and when we inevitably can't meet them, we feel like failures.
That's so true. It's like setting ourselves up for disappointment.
Exactly. So embracing imperfection can actually lead to more happiness.
It makes sense. Life's too short to fold fitted sheets perfectly. Ugh.
I gave up on that years ago.
Same here. They just get crumpled in the linen closet anyway.
Right. So instead of stressing over the small stuff, let's focus on what really matters.
I like spending quality time with family and friends.
Yes, and enjoying those holiday traditions.
Speaking of traditions, what's your favorite?
Oh, we always have a gingerbread house competition. It gets pretty intense.
Oh, wow. That sounds fun.
It is, except when someone accidentally knocks over someone else's house.
Uh-oh. Sibling rivalry?
You could say that.
Well, at least it's all in good fun.
Mostly. How about you? Any fun traditions?
We do a holiday movie marathon in pajamas. Popcorn, hot cocoa, the works.
That sounds so cozy. What's your go-to movie?
It's not the holidays without watching Elf.
Yes! I love that one. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Exactly. Never gets old.
So maybe instead of cleaning, we should spend more time on these fun activities.
Agreed. The mess can wait.
Absolutely. Besides, a little clutter never hurt anyone.
Unless you trip over it, but that's a risk I'm willing to take.
Living dangerously, I see.
Always.
Well, I think we've given our listeners a lot to think about.
I hope so. Remember, folks, embrace the imperfections. They make life interesting.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So go out there, enjoy the holidays, and don't sweat the small stuff.
And maybe leave those dust bunnies alone for once.
They need love too.
All right, on that note, time to wrap things up.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Until next time.
Happy holidays and take care.